Hey traders, TG Watkins here at simplertrading.com. Wanted to talk about Bitcoin and definitely how it is clearing 100,000, which I figured was going to be happening at some point, and now we are definitely seeing it. But first, I want to let you know about an open house that we're having this week. So Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, you guys can come in, check out what we do in the Simpler Central Room, and then you can see all the different traders we have and what we talk about. And I think it's a great place to kind of come and get a little bit more familiar with us. So come over here. We've got a link in the bio and check it out. So yeah, Bitcoin was kind of just crawling up here. I mean, this has been a really good move where we popped up. We basically hit, you can see this, we hit 100,000 and then it went into flagging mode. But I thought this was looking pretty good. We've had a couple fits, fits and starts right here, some based on some news. Wasn't quite ready to get going. But then what you can see right here on the daily chart are the last 2 days where price and the price candle actually stayed above the daily 8 EMA. And you can see right here on the hourly chart, price actually started to hold the hourly 50 and then Bitcoin started to move up. So there are a lot of good tickers across the board. We are in BitX as far as our leveraged ETF of Bitcoin. And this is one of the stocks, one of the ETFs that helped me take one of the new accounts that I opened, 25,000, and get it up over $50,000 is because something like this, we are up 130% gain on this one, just stock alone. And we're seeing a lot of other ones like Wolf and Irene and Cypher. These things look like they are about ready to go because these are some pretty nice bull flags right in through this area. So I want to make sure that you guys know that Bitcoin is bullish and to take advantage of this stuff and come on in and check out our open house because this is where we're going to be talking about a lot of these things and you can get to know us over at Simpler Trading a little bit better. All right, guys, thanks again. We'll see you soon. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.